Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. We are first year student of Bachelor of Technology in Electrical Maintenance System at ITEM. This is a grouping case study video for subject technical report. In this case study, we will present to you about a grid connected PV system. Okay, so let's me and my team introduce ourselves first. So my name is Nur Syarani binti Abu Bakar. In this case study, I will explain the introduction. Okay, so I will explain a grid connected PV system. A grid connected PV system is one in which solar panels are connected to the utility grid via a power inverter unit. It's allowing them to run in a parallel with the grid. We have learned how a standalone PV system stores solar energy using photovoltaic panels and deep cycle batteries, resulting in a fully self-contained solar power system. This form of solar power, on the other hand, works great if there is enough solar radiation during the day to replenish the batteries for usage at night. In isolated and rural places, a standalone solar system are self-contained fixed or portable solar PV systems that are not linked to any utility or mains electrical grid. This usually indicates that the electrical equipment is located far from the electrical source or that connecting a power connection from the local grid would be too expensive. Okay, next, the PV solar panels are arrayed. They are electrically linked or tied to the local mains power grid, which feed electrical energy back into the grid in a grid-connected PV system. And it's also known as a grid-tied or on-grid solar system. Okay, so second, the number of solar power residents. Okay, its link to the local electrical grid has risen considerably in recent years. These grid-connected PV systems contain solar panels that generate part, if not all, of their power requirement during the day while remaining connected to the local electrical grid network at night. During the long, hot summer months, solar power PV system can occasionally produce more electricity than is really needed or used. This additional or surplus power is either stored in batteries or supplied straight back into the electrical grid network, as is the case with the most grid-connected PV system. Okay, the last one for the introduction is the key benefits of a grid-connected PV system. The benefits of this PV system are its ease of use, low operating and maintenance expenses, and lower power bills. The downside is to create the appropriate quantity of extra electricity. A significant number of solar panels must be placed because grid-tied systems feed their solar energy straight back into the grid. Costly backup batteries are not required and can be left out of most grid-tied designs. Furthermore, because this type of PV system is permanently connected to the grid, solar energy consumption and solar panel sizing calculation are not required, allowing for a wide range of options, including a system as small as 1 kWh on the roof to help reduce your
Assalamualaikum, my name is Jina Ashraf. I'm going to present about project background. We are doing the project at Kampung Orang Asli Postanau District, Ulu Slim, Slim River, 35800 Perak. For more information at this table. The purpose of community survey is to define the community profile, several population, physical infrastructure, ability, kind of employment, social infrastructure, healthcare facilities, transportation ability, in economic activity within the community, and government policy are all included in the survey. In the end, this survey will provide the summary of the village overall characteristics. The survey result will introduce to help estimate the energy demand profile, the village close transmission line finish in Slam River, about 20 km away, where grid connection is probably expensive. The climate is dry and hot for the majority of the year, and the site is mostly flat with some mountains where 18 drilling have been built.
Then the discussion of the case study is based on the data collected from solar PV power system. Using solar panel is a very practical way to produce electricity for many applications. The obvious would have to be off-grid living. Living off-grid means living in a location that is not serviced by the main electric utility grid. Remote home and cabinet nicely from the solar power system. Not longer is it necessary to pay fee for the installation of electric utility pole and electricity from the nearest main grid access point. A solar electric system is just less expensive, can provide power from upward and 3 decades is properly maintained. Solar panel and solar power is that one a system expect for this energy solution cost, which could be as much as 15 to 20 years depending on the quality of the system. It is actually free for grid-tied solar power system owner. The benefit begin from the moment the system come online, potential eliminating monthly electric bill, or and this the best part, you need the system owner additional income from the electrical company.
My name is Harid. Today I will present about the project description. The electrical usage at rural area is different between urban area because they only use basic electrical appliances such as lamp, wall fan, ice box and television. They also use low value of kilowatt hour per day because the electrical usage has been limited by their own people based on weather and only used while in need. Table in this slide is showing the daily energy requirement for 18 households. And the table data has been calculated with the formula that we have used. In this calculation, we also add the inverter losses and the battery losses that we expect to be. And the system sizing is based on total energy requirement for 18 households, that is approximately 33 kilowatt hour per day. The monthly solar installation data in Slim River, Perak has been shown at this description. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Irfan Ajwan. Now I gonna present about conclusion. So the conclusion is previous system show promising technology option due to its reliability and safety signs. The current option used by Aborigine community provide poor quality lighting and hazardous to health. The system is not only reliable but aimed in the art of humanity. Focusing on country development is important but might as well not to be overlooked upon this under diverse community. So that's only our conclusion. Thank you for listening, and my name is Irfan Ajwan. That's all.